We were just admiring all the cacti out here. Not something you see in South Carolina a whole lot.
Oh look, there's a nub.
There's some more over there.
Dude,
imagine that. Somehow we slept in until 8:30 today. I don't know how that happened.
I
must have been tired.
Me neither.
Some of us slept in. And we're getting a little late start. Trying to get to the Hoover Dam tour first thing. And then my wonderful wife is inside negotiating a late checkout. At least I think she is. Just in case we get back from the tour a little bit late. And then we'll be on our way to Zion. And it's also like the hottest week of the year. So glad we can schedule that perfectly.
I'm driving.
Okay.
Don't distract me driving.
Yeah, Daddy.
Good morning.
Have a nice day, man. Cheers up.
Thank you.
From what I read, that there's a security check at the beginning. I guess some cars get chosen and some cars don't.
I was not chosen.
Yeah.
You were not chosen.
So my strategy worked, put my beautiful wife in the driver's seat, a cute kid in the back, and no delay at security. So, you know, that's a couple of tips for you families out there. When you pull up to that security stop sign, just my guess is that the
Look at that.
cars get the priority lane on the left, and then anything big goes to the right. Also, just so you know, there's a long list of prohibited items in and on the dam. You should check that list before you have a unexpected turnaround. All right, so Daddy was unprepared, had no cash.
Children save the day.
Children, a beautiful daughter saved the day with $10 of her own cash so we could park.
Now you owe me $10.
Now I owe her $10.
Probably 50.
You owe me $12.
I do not miss driving a truck through a parking garage. I mean, even a short bed 250. It's kind of tough getting around some of these parking garages, so a motorhome and a Toad works much better for me. Small cars get around easier than big trucks. You might have thought you could drive through that first checkpoint and be in the clear. But you get to airport style security up there, and we discovered we had a whole bunch of old snack bars in our bags and pocket knives and multi-tools, and at least they let you turn around and go back to your car. So we're going back to the car, dropping off all the contraband, and then we'll go on the tour. So we made it through security. Yeah, don't bring extra food with you.
And Lake Mead is America's largest man-made reservoir that we were in yesterday.
Yeah, can you tell my wife's a big Hoover Dam fan?
The Durango and Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad, and that's the grand finale of our trip.
Explain.
6 companies forged into a single contracting entity to undertake the Mammoth Project.
That pipe is full of water. It's carrying the water from Lake Mead, which is out in that direction, and that water's traveling through that pipe. It's on its way right now to the big generators to turn the turbines to help make electricity. We call this a penstock pipe, by the way. It was a virtual assembly line of buckets of concrete every 78 seconds. That went on 24 hours a day for about 2 straight years until Hoover Dam was finished. And when it was, that was the tallest dam in the whole world, sitting on the Colorado River in 1935. See that, feel that vibration? That's the water you're feeling. It's passing beneath your feet, 96,000 gallons of water every second. Now that water's on its way to the power plant, so are we, because that's our next stop.
Having a good time? Yeah. They're serious about moving you along around here. We were just looking at the generators, and this big police guy was basically encouraging us to leave the room on time. So don't dilly-dally.
That axle goes to the magnet, which the magnet spins around, and then the spinning magnet conducts the electricity, then it sends it through that wire to the light bulb and back.
Habit or tradition, I don't know, but here we are in the gift shop.
Hoover Dam laborers and craftsmen stayed on the job.
Can't walk out of these places empty-handed. Wow, it was incredible! Wow, it was awesome. She really enjoyed it. She's a Hoover Dam fan. It's cool. It's engineering, yeah.
You gotta get here early. Looks like it's filling up.
Yeah, I think we got here at 10. It's 12:15 local.
Does this
It's hot. Heat wave.
Today it is hot.
Showed up for record heat. Where are we going next?
the car, Daddy? And we're going to eat our snacks.
Oh, we gotta get in the car, get the motorhome, drive to Zion, and In-N-Out Burger on the way to Zion, I hope, in St. George.